We are very happy with the progress on the existing projects in Trace. And also we are very happy to see that the new 5 projects that we have decided on right now will be a huge benefit to the ongoing roadmap and really complement what we have already initiated and achieved. So what has been important selecting the 5 new projects is first and foremost that they fits very well into our current roadmap, but also that they live up to the criteria that we have in terms of private and public collaboration, and that we want to include the full value chain, also in terms of including not only large companies, but also SMEs and startups. I see a big opportunities for companies, big and small, to participate in Trace. Not only do you get knowledge around circular economy, but you will also have the opportunity to have your problem solved with the help of other companies and also with the help of some of the brightest brains in Denmark via the academia collaboration. The uniqueness of Trace is also that it brings together both the plastic part and the textile part. And even though you can think that those are really 2 different aspects, then having the circular economy as the key point in both textile and plastic gives a good opportunity to really rethink the agenda and think about some of the solutions in a different way.